If you opened a US LLC and you're not from America, the IRS might already owe you a $25,000 bill, and you probably have no idea. Hi, I'm Tatiana, founder of Taxes Zen Pro. Every season I get the same call. Someone in Berlin or Mumbai or Sao Paulo opened a Delaware LLC through Stripe Atlas or DUA. They use it for an e-commerce store or freelance income or just to hold a Florida rental house. Their LLC made $0 in US income. They paid $0 in US tax. They figured nothing to file, right? Wrong. So wrong, it can cost them $150,000. Here's what nobody told them. Since 2017, every foreign-owned US LLC has to file something called Form 5472. It's basically the IRS saying, we want to know about every dollar moving between you and your LLC. Even if it's just $500 you wired in to keep the bank account open. Skip this form, and the penalty is $25,000 per year, automatic. The IRS doesn't send you a warning, they just assess it. And here's the worst part. There's no statute of limitations. The IRS can come back 10 years later, look at every missed year, and stack the penalties on top of each other. I've seen people get hit with $150,000 in penalties for missing 5 years. The reason this keeps happening, Stripe Atlas, DULA, First Base, the registered agents, none of them warn you. They sell you the LLC. They don't tell you about Form 5472. And in 2026, the IRS is getting more aggressive. They're going after de minimis transfers. A $500 transfer between you and the LLC is enough to trigger the full filing requirement. But here's the good news. In April 2026, the IRS released new guidance. Chief Counsel Advice 20261-7012. Clarifying when the reasonable cause exception applies, which means if you file the missed years now with a proper written statement, you can often get the penalty completely waived. The key word here is now, before the IRS contacts you, not after. I wrote a full guide on this, what Form 5472 is, who needs to file it, what counts as a reportable transaction, and how to fix missed years. It's on my website, links in the description, and the consultation is free.